Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. The Bentley Bentayga SUV has received an updated sports versions of the Speed. The Bentley Bentayga in the Speed version no longer has a W12 engine. It has been replaced by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, which has become even more powerful. It develops 650 horsepower. The dynamics have also improved significantly, 3.4 seconds to 100 km per hour, and a top speed of 310 km per hour. It is Bentley's most powerful and fastest SUV.
Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.